Fix Cash App won't let me order a card. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step Fix Cash App won't let me order a card. First, launch the Cash App mobile app just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. After that, tap on the Profile option. It is found here at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on the Profile section of your Cash App account. Here, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. After that, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the page. At the bottom, there are more options. From those options, make sure you tap on this option here named Support. Please wait for the page to finish loading. This is the Cash App Support section. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can to find solutions to issues you face on the app. From them, scroll down until you reach this section. After that, tap this section named Cash App Card. On this page, you will find other options, as you can see, that are related to Cash App cards. From them, make sure you tap this one here. Finally, this page will appear where Cash App is trying to suggest you some solutions. You can read them if you wish, but proceed and come to the bottom of the screen. After that, tap this option named Chat. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. This is the Cash App feedback box. Here, you are supposed to type a short message explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly, just like you can see here. After that, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the problem you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is, how to fix Cash App won't let me order a card.